Hi, I'm Isabelle Palmer, author of Houseplants, and I've teamed up with the experts at Always Showy to show you 5 ways to style your houseplants in 2020. Grouping plants together to celebrate their differences really makes a statement. If you mix colourful succulents like Showys with smaller, more compact plants, it really makes them pop. Alternatively, if you're short on space, try grouping assorted species together to add depth and interest for a more contemporary feel. You can also display plants on shelves, and it's a great way to style a home office or a study. You can try using individually potted plants as decorative spacers to break up books and box files, or try a plant as a bookend. And use trailing plants such as devil ivy. They look great tumbling over the edges of shelves. You can also use your plant to create a table centerpiece, and a plant centerpiece is a great way to brighten up a dining table, and colourful succulents such as Showys will look stylish and contemporary. Giant sculptural plants are really popular this year and will create instant impact. Big leafy plants such as Monstera deliciosa, or the Swiss cheese plant, and fiddle leaf figs will add personality to your space, and over time can grow to a human scale. If you require something small to spruce up a desk or cheer up a sideboard, look no further than a terrarium. The perfect home for small succulents such as miniature Showys, which are widely available from florists, supermarkets and garden centres, and are great for a terrarium as they will stay in bloom for up to 10 weeks. And there we have it, 5 great plant style ideas for you to try at home. For more tips and ideas on how to style with Showys, go to www.callenshowy.nl/en or follow Always Showy on Instagram at Always Showy. That's it from me, and thank you for watching.